In this initial question, we are asked to find the value of x, given that 2 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 15 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of s is equal to 8. Now let's obtain the solution for this equation. So we have that 2 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 15 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 8. Now recall that from the laws of indices, this expression here can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2x multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 1. So therefore, here becomes 2 raised to the power of 2x multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 1, which is 2, minus 15 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 8. Now this becomes 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of x all raised to the power of 2 minus 15 raised to the power of 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Now at this point, let us substitute p to be equal to 2 raised to the power of x. Now the equation in terms of p becomes 2 multiplied by p squared minus 15p minus 8 equal to 0. Now to obtain the solution for this quadratic equation in terms of p, we have to use the quadratic formula. So we have it that x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So from our quadratic formula, a is the coefficient of b squared, which is 2. B is the coefficient of p, which is negative 15. And also, c is a constant term, which is negative 8. But since our equation is in terms of p, the equation becomes p equal to, so our b is negative 15, so we have negative 15 plus or minus root of negative 15 all squared minus 4 times a is 2 times c is negative 8. Everything here will be divided by 2 times 2. So this becomes minus can cancel out minus. So p is equal to 15 plus or minus root of. So minus 15 squared is 225. So we have here to be 225. Minus 4 times 2 is negative 8. And negative 8 times negative 8 is plus 64. So we have positive 64. All divided by 2 times 2 is 4. Now, if we simplify what is inside the radical further, this becomes p equal to 15 plus or minus 225 plus 64 is 289, all divided by 4. And root of 289 is equal to 17. So we have that this becomes 15 plus or minus 17 divided by 4. So the equation now reduces to p equal to 15 plus 17 divided by 4, and also p equal to 15 minus 17 divided by 4. So 15 plus 17 is 32 divided by 4, and also 15 minus 17 is negative 2 divided by 4. So if 4 cancel out itself, 4 is 1. 32 divided by 4 is given as 8. So therefore, P is equal to 8. And here also, P is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. Now we have obtained the value of P. But recall that we said let P be equal to 2 to the power of x. So on that note, we have that recall that P is equal to 2 to the power of x. Thus, for P equal to 8, we have it that 8 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Now we can express 8 in base 2. So this becomes 2 to the power of 3 equal to 2 to the power of s. So since their bases are the same, it is true that their powers are the same. So x is equal to 3. Also, for P equal to negative 1 divided by 2, we have that P equal to negative 1 divided by 2. This becomes minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power of x. So here can be expressed as minus 2 raised to the power of negative 1 is equal to 2 raised to the power of x. So there is no solution here because 2 raised to the power of x cannot be negative. So the only solution we have here is that x is equal to 3.